Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, hope all of you are fine. Today we'll discuss some MCQs on matrices. This is for class 12 applied maths. Okay, let's see the questions. 10 questions we'll discuss today. It's clear. First question is what? The matrix say this is the matrix is given 002, 020, 200 is A. What type of matrix? Square matrix, diagonal matrix, square matrix, none of this. Square matrix that we know, square matrix. What is the square matrix? All the diagonal principal diagonal elements are what? Some scalar quantities. That is called scalar matrix. Okay, but here principal diagonal matrix are not scalar quantities. This is 0, this is 2, this is 0. So this is not a scalar matrix. Diagonal matrix. This is also not diagonal matrix because the principal diagonal element should be there. Others should be 0. But this is 2. This is 2. Others are not 0. And so what we can say? This we can say this as this order is 3 into 3. So this is a square matrix. This is what? A square matrix of order 3. This option we can choose this option. Okay. Now go to the second question. If A is equal to 2 minus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 minus 6, then it is related with product. AB is defined, BA is defined, AB and BA are both defined, AB and BA are not defined. Now we will see. In case of multiplication, we have to see the order. Okay, order of the matrix. What is the order of matrix? How many rows? 2 rows and 3 columns. So order like 2 into 3. And this is what? 3 rows, 2 columns. So 3 into 2. So in case of multiplication, one thing you have to keep in mind that in case of multiplication, whenever, so first one is A is what? What is A? 2 into 3. And B is what? 3 into 2. So when we multiply, number of, if we want to multiply A and B, number of the columns for A and number of rows of column B should be same. Then it is multiply hold good. Okay, so AB is defined. Now see B is what? B is 3 into 2. A is what? 2 into 3. Here what we are getting? Again, number of rows and number of columns, these are same. So both AB and BA, AB and B are defined. So what we can say? AB and BA are defined. Both are defined. So option 2 is correct. Option C is correct for this question number 2. Okay. Now see question number 3. If A is any M cross N matrix, A is M cross N matrix. So what is that? A is M cross N matrix. And B is a matrix such that AB and BA are both defined. So AB and BA both should be defined. Okay. So what should be the order of matrix B? So B should be what? B should be what? The number of AB is defined. So number of what? Columns of A should be the number of rows of B. And this should be something this B. So if this is defined, again BA also defined. That means what? If we take N into P, and this is A is equal to M into N. So these two be same, these two be same. That is P also should be M. So order of matrix is what? M into N into M. So not N into N, not M into N. This should be N into M. So this is the correct option of question number 3. D is the correct option of question number 3. Okay. Next question, C. What is the next question? Question number 4. See question number 4. If A is minus 3x, Y is 5, and A is equal to A transpose. Now, what is the transpose matrix? Transpose matrix is what? Row is intersects to columns. So A transpose, what will get? A is equal to A transpose. A transpose matrix what? A is what? Minus 3x, Y 5. This is the matrix. And its transpose is what? Minus 3, Y, X 5. These two are same. Then what we can say? X is equal to Y. So option is what? C. X is equal to Y or Y is equal to X. Next question. What is the next question? Question number 5. Second, if A is equal to Aij, A is equal to what? Aij. Aij. Now Aij is equal to 1 when I not equal to Z. I not equal to Z. That is A1 1 will 0. When I is equal to Z, that is 0. 1 0 1 1 0. This is the matrix. Then a square, what will be a square? Multiply this a square. So 0 1 1 0. If we multiply, so what will get? See, first row with first row is 2 into 2 2 into 2. So resultant order of matrix, product matrix is 2 into 2. We'll get, so 0 into 0, 1 into 1. So this is 1. Again, first row, second column. So 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So this is 0. Second row, first column, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. Second row, second column, 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 0 is 1. So what is the matrix? This is nothing but I. So a square is equal to I. So what will get? The result is a square is equal to I. One thing keep in mind, if the matrix is this way, 0 1 1 0, then a to the power n is equal to what? I, if n is odd. A to the, if n is odd, then it will be a, and if n is even, then what will get? I. N is even. If n is even, then a to the n is equal to a, and odd, if n is odd, what will get? A to the power n is equal to a, and if n is even, what will get? A to the power n is equal to I. So a square is equal to what will get? A square is equal to I, power is even. A cube, what will get? A cube is equal to a only will get. Again, a to the 4, what will get? A to the 4 is equal to I will get. A to the 5, what will get? It is power is odd, so again a will get. In this way, we can get the results. Okay, the questions may be asked to find out the a cube or a to the 5 something. So directly you can write the results. Number 6, the number of all possible matrices of order 3 into 3 with each entry 0 and 1 is this one. Okay, so how many elements? 2 elements, and order matrix is what? 3 into 3 is 9. 9 elements will get total. So number of possible matrices, number of all possible matrices, how much? 2 to the power, this 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 is 512. This is the correct option. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 6. If it is 2 into 2 and 0 and 1, what will write? 2 to the power 2 into 2 is 4, 16. 16 will be answer. If it is 1 2 3 3 elements, so and this one also, so what will write? 3 to the power 0 1 2 something is written, 3 to the power 3 into 3. In this way, the result will become. Okay, next question. See question number 7. What is the, if A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A, then I minus A whole cube plus I minus A whole cube plus I. So how do you write? I minus A whole cube plus I minus A whole cube plus A. Condition is given what? A square is equal to A. A square is equal to A. Now expand it as per the formula. I cube minus 3I square A plus 3I A square plus A cube, minus A cube plus A. So how to write? I cube is I, minus I square is I, 3A plus, this is 3A square, minus, we can write A cube is A square into A plus A. So what will get? I minus 3A plus A square is equal to A square is equal to A. So 3A minus A into A plus A. I minus 3A cancel. So minus A into A square plus A. Again, A square is A plus A. This cancel, ultimate is what? I. And the correct option is I. So what is the correct option? A. Correct option is I. Okay. Next, if A is equal to 4, 2, 3, 2, the matrix, and I is equal to this, then A square minus 6A. What is A square minus 6A? So first, if I find out the A square is equal to what? 4, 1, 3, 2. Find out 4, 1, 3, 2. Multiply this. If you multiply, what will get? First column, first column, 16, 16 plus 3, 19. First row, second column, 4 into 1, 2 into 6. Second row, first column, 12 plus 6, 18. 3 4 is a 12, 2 3 is a 6, 18. Then first row, the second row, second column, 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4, 7. This is a square. Minus 6a, 6a, direct we can write. 6a, 6a means what? 6 into 4, 1, 3, 2. If we multiply this, what will get? 19, 6, 18, 7, and minus 24, 6, 18, 6 to the 12. Okay. So what will get? 19 minus 24, that is minus 5, 6 minus 6, 0, 18 minus 8 is 0, this 7 minus 12 is minus 5. So minus 5 we can take common, and 1, 0, 0, 1. If we take minus 5 common, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, then minus 5i. So what is the answer? Minus 5i. So correct option is B, minus 5i. Okay. Next one, if A is equal to A comma B, A is equal to what? A comma B. And A square is equal to alpha beta. That means we need to find out alpha beta. We need to find out the value of alpha beta. So A square is equal to AB, BA, then again AB, BA. Multiply this. So if you multiply row into column, so into is A square plus B square. This into this, AB plus AB twice AB. So from here only you can say what is the answer. Alpha is equal to A square plus B square, beta is equal to twice AB. So alpha is equal to A square plus B square, beta is equal to twice AB. So this option B is the correct answer. Okay, number 9. Number 10, see the question number 10. What is number 10? Already we got, I think, this question. A is a matrix. So A is a I not equal to Z, that is A is equal to what? 0, 1, 1, 0. This is the matrix. So already I told, if the power of n, if it is n is even number, if n is even number, then what will get? It is dependent on the even numbers and odd numbers. If n is even numbers, then we'll get I, and if n is odd number, then we will get A only. Okay, that I told. So here n is what? Odd number. So what will be the correct option? A. Clear? So this is the end of this class. So this we have to solve the MCQ, and as much as possible try to give the answer accurately within a short time. Okay, no need to write in details for MCQ. Just we have to check, we have to observe. If we can get just overlooking the questions and we get the appropriate answer, then just click it. No need to calculate it. If there is little bit confusion is there, we have to calculate it and we have to come into the correct option. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.